Hey, what's going everybody? This is Pranay from VMwareInsight.com. So I came here with a new topic. In this topic, in this video, we are going to explain the history of VMware and its products overview. So basically, we'll see the basic information about VMware, history of VMware, and VMware product information, what products we have in VMware. So why I chose VMware to explain here, because in last video I explained about the vendors who provide virtualization technology. So VMware is one of them who has covered most of the market for virtualization platform. So primarily we are going to I'm going to explain about the VMware technology and other things in coming videos. So here let's start with the basic information. I want you to know that what is exactly VMware, how it grown, how it born, and what all products we have in VMware. So VMware, if I'll ask you what is VMware, so VMware is a company who provides virtualization to x86 architecture, and it provides products to virtualize the servers, desktop, application, and other platform services. As I said in last video that we have different layer of virtualization. We can virtualize the environment at each level, right? We can virtualize the servers, we can virtualize the hardwares, we can virtualize desktops, applications, and other things. So VMware provide applications, products to virtualize at each level, right? It provides hypervisor, which is ESXi. In last video we discussed about the ESXi. So VMware provide the ESXi hypervisor, which run directly on a bare metal machine. It works as a mediator for virtualization platform and bare metal hardware. There are a number of products. I'm going to explain in next slides that there are a lot of products which VMware provides to virtualize the environment. So as of now we are going to explain the history. So I'm going to next slide. I'm going to explain the history of VMware, when VMware started and how the products came to the market, in which year. There are a lot of other things I might have missed in this slide. I'll come with if you think so, please put a comment in a comment box. I'll definitely add it to the next video. So here I'm going to start from bottom. So it started, VMware founded in 1998. And in 1999, Workstation 1.0 released. So that's kind of type 2 hypervisor, right? And in 2000, again, new version of Workstation released. And in 2001, ESX 1.0 released. So that's ESX is a kind of type 1 hypervisor. So I explained in last video that what types we have in virtualization, type 1 and type 2. So Workstation is a example of type 2 hypervisor, and this ESX is a kind of type 1 hypervisor. In 2003, VMware Virtual Center released. So Virtual Center was to manage the environment. So it was founded in 2003, the very first version, which was 1.0, and it was released with the vMotion feature. So we will explain these words in later videos, that what is vMotion, what is Virtual Center in deeply. In 2004 we have mainly new versions released of ESXi, ESX, that's 2.0. GSX Server 3.0 was released, and another new things, that was VMTN community was released. So as of we still have VMTN, where we can discuss a lot of things. There are many features. I would suggest you to explore VMTN community, and you can also have your ID in that. You can create your ID and explore the VMTN community. That's very good thing, which was released in 2004 and later on upgraded to new versions. And in 2005 there was a Player 1.0 released, P2V Assistant 2.0 released, again Workstation new version released. 2006 VI3 released, and ESX 3.0 released, a new version of Virtual Center. In 2007 that ESX 3i released, Fusion released for Mac. Fusion is same like we have in Workstation for Windows, so Fusion we have for Mac. And Converter released. Now 2008 again new version of Fusion, Workstation and servers released. 2009 View released, and workstation we will explain in coming slides what is view and what is converter. In 2010 view 4.0 again new version, and vSphere 4.1 release. So that has very new features in vSphere 4.1, so we will explain in coming videos. And in 2011 workstation 8.0 released, again new features of view, a new version of view released, and SRM 5.0 release, which is for disaster recovery scenario, and vSphere 5.0 release, view 4.6 released. In 2012 5.1 released, workstation 9.0 released, and in 2013 VMware acquired Dextron, so that was again a collaboration. And vSphere 5.5 released, workstation 10.0 release, again with the new features. 2014 VMware acquired Cloud Volumes, and in 2015 again vSphere 6.0 that is 6.0 released, and in 2016 vSphere 6.5, which is currently running in the environment, that released a new feature, very new feature, that HTML5 based vSphere web client released. So that was kind of beta version. It was released in March 2016 and still going on, and 6.5 is coming with the new features of HTML5 based web client. So later earlier versions like VI client and web client also there, but HTML is going to cover the market now. In 2017 VMware sold vCloud Air to OVH. So these are the basic. There are a few others. If I'll go more in depth, I just thought that the basic information we should have, that what all, like in which year which product came. So I'm going to explain now. I'm going to move to the next slide. The VMware product information. So what exactly you understand? So what I'm going to explain here in this in these slides, that what are products we have in VMware. The most of people know that we have vSphere, but it's not the vSphere what VMware has. VMware is running many other products which have very other good features what we can use to virtualize the environment, and so that I'm going to explain in very as a very basic information. And I assure you that I'll definitely come with a detailed videos for that products in coming videos, like kind of install, configure and manage those products, the basic depth information of those products. But here in these slides I am going to cover only the basic information of these products. So let's move to the next slide. So data center, like there are multiple layer kind of virtualization and products. So at data center and cloud infrastructure level, we have different products like VMware vSphere, VMware vCloud Director, VMware vSphere Storage Appliance, though it has been it is not in picture now. VMware NSX, that's very new and market is covering with this NSX, and vSAN and VDP, that's vSphere Data Protection, VMware vCenter, Software Manager, Continuant, Hyperconverged Infrastructure, Pivot, Container and Services. So let's take a basic information about these products. So these are the products in data center and cloud infrastructure if I'll talk about. So VMware is a VMware vSphere. First point, if I'll take VMware vSphere. So VMware vSphere actually provides the server virtualization platform, and it is kind of foundation for any cloud environment. If your cloud environment, definitely you would require vSphere if you are doing through the VMware virtualization, right? So vSphere provides server virtualization platform. Now vCloud Director. So vCloud Directory basically used for cloud service providers, and if we have cloud in our environment, so definitely we should have vCloud Director, so to manage the environment. And it used for deployment, automation and management for virtual infrastructure resources in multi-tenant cloud environment. Now if I'll talk about that VSA, that VMware vSphere Storage Appliance. So it's kind of pool of disk, you can say like a vSAN. So but this product frankly telling you that vSAN is VSA is not in picture now. It was VMware has declared end of availability of this product on April 2014 itself. So after 2014, VMware do not provide any kind of support for this product. So but what exactly it does, that it has a pool of disk from the ESXi host to provide high availability feature without any kind of additional storage hardware. So earlier, like if we have kind of ESXi, we can have a pool of disk from there and we can use the high availability feature. And it is same if I'll talk about vSAN and VSA. So it is same, and but vSAN has other features, many other features. Definitely it's a upgraded version and came with the new features. I'll explain. So let's come to the NSX. That's to provide network virtualization to environment. NSX provide network virtualization to our environment. It provide additional kind of layer security of physical network and a virtual network. And vSAN again is a kind of pooling of storage to provide high availability feature without any additional storage, and it uses enterprise class shared storage solution for hyper-converged infrastructure. And VDP basically used for data backup of virtualization platform. So if we have virtual machines, let's take example, we have virtual machines, so we can take a backup through VDP. So there are many versions what we have in VDP, so we'll definitely go through with the different video on that. VMware vCenter is to manage virtual environment, and you should have vCenter to manage the virtual environment virtualization platform. And VMware Software Manager is to simplify the download of VMware products. If you are going to download any VMware product, you can use VMware Software Manager to simplify the download. And VMware Continued, again the end of this project was in May 2016. Exact date if I'll tell you, that 4th May 2016. It provides data replication between relational database and data warehouses, but it is no more in picture now. There's no worth discussing on this. Now VMware hyper-converged infrastructure. So hyper-converged infrastructure allows the convergence of physical storage onto the industry standard x86 servers, and it enables a building block approach with the scale out capabilities. So now next point, that pivot container services. So if I'll go to the last point, that HCI. So if I'll give you example of HCI, that you can take a VxRail is a kind of hyper-converged. So we have storage, network, and compute in a kind of converged infrastructure. So that's HCI. And let's move to the another things, what products provided by VMware. That again, if I'll talk about infrastructure and operation management, so there are these products: VMware vCenter Server, vRealize Suite, vRealize Operation Insight, that SRM, VRA, vCloud Connector, vRealize Log Insight, vRealize Code Stream, VMware Health Analyzer Collector, and VMware vRealize Network Insight, VMware Integrated OpenStack. So if I'll talk about VMware vCenter Server, it's again kind of management. It's again kind of management of virtual infrastructure. You can use this product to manage the VMware environment, multiple ESXi hosts, virtual machines, storage, networking at one management console. vRealize Suite, it includes, if I'll talk about vRealize Suite, is a combination. It's not a specific product. It's a combination of multiple vRealize products, which includes like vRealize Operation, vRealize Automation, and other things. So it also has like vRealize Log Insight, vRealize Business for Cloud, So these product comes into the vRealize suite. Now vRealize operation inside. So vRealize operation inside. So vRealize operation inside. So operation insight, basically it helps us to health monitoring for our virtual systems, and SRM, that is basically for site recovery manager. Yeah, so full form of the SRM is site recovery manager, but specifically it used for disaster recovery. Basically it used for disaster recovery of our environment. Let's take example, we have one primary site and one is secondary site. So for automating of the recovery, we can use the VMware provider product, that is SRM. And vRealize automation is a kind of product which provide the automation of IT delivery, including build of servers, apply policies, billing, and other IT services. Now next, that VMware vCloud Connector Core, it used to link private cloud with public cloud. If you have private cloud and you want to migrate or you want to link with the public cloud, that VMware vCloud Connector Core product use, and it allows us to manage them as a single hybrid environment. Now VMware vRealize Log Insight, that's kind of log management of virtual infrastructure, and it is used to centralize the logs, and we can use for the compliance and anything. And VMware vRealize Code Stream, that provides release automation and continuous delivery to enable frequent, reliable software release, which reducing the operational cost. And VMware Health Analyzer Collectors, and this tool is used by VMware partners to assess a VMware environment. Next, that VMware vRealize Network Insight, and it helps us to quickly and easily deploy and manage a production grade OpenStack on top of VMware infrastructure. So I'm sorry, that's Network Insight, right? We were discussing about the vRealize Network Insight. So vRealize Network Insight is a kind of intelligent operations for software defined networking and security. It again kind of layer which provided by the VMware, and this product provide the intelligence of operations. And OpenStack, what is VMware integrated OpenStack, that is also a product provided by VMware, and which help us to quickly and easily deploy and manage a product. And it's kind of product, it help us to manage, deploy and manage a production grade OpenStack on top of VMware infrastructure. Let's move to the next products, kind of security products and VMware suites, which is provided by VMware. So in this we have VMware vCloud suite, which provides platform for multi-vendor hybrid cloud management platform, like we discussed in last topic. Again, network and security. So network and security, it provides kind of we have VMware vCloud network and security. So that that is again kind of additional security we have at a virtualization layer, and kind of network virtualization. And VMware vRealize operation, that's kind of health management. You can do the health management of your environment by using vRealize operations. And VMware vCloud NFV, that's, if I'll talk about what is NFV, that's a network functions virtualization. And this platform enables a modular approach to NFV based service deployment that is proven in production with the communication service provider globally. And it also delivers the shortest time to value while ensuring investment production. Now VCF, that's again kind of product for cloud management, or you can use like Cloud Foundation, it's a kind of product which provides integrated cloud infrastructure platform for the hybrid cloud, and it provides dynamic software defined infrastructure. It provides the easiest way to deploy and run a hybrid cloud. It provides integrated cloud infrastructure and cloud management service to run enterprise applications in both private and public cloud. So we'll explore some labs in coming videos. TNAP, that's kind of application virtualization from VMware product, and it accelerates application deployment and simplify migrations. That product VMware TNAP, it comes in the desktop and end user computing. So we have multiple products here also, which provide a virtualization and desktop layer, and at end user, as I said, that we have different layers, and at every layer VMware provides different products. So TNAP is one of that. So it basically it provide we have similar products in Citrix we have in VMware, so that's for application virtualization. And Workstation Pro, that's again a end user product. You can I'll not say end user, but yeah, that's kind of type 2 hypervisor which provide the virtualization, but it required a basic operating system on top of bare metal machine, and then you can deploy OS should be like Windows 7, 8 and any Windows operating system, and you can install VMware Workstation, and on top of that you can create virtual machines and use as a virtualization platform. Now VMware Fusion, that's again kind of similar to VMware Workstation, but that's for Mac operating systems, and it required a basic Mac OS after the bare metal machine, and on top of that you can install VMware Fusion and use it virtualization. You can create multiple virtual machines on using the VMware Fusion application. And VMware Workstation Player, it run multiple operating system on a single Linux PC. Now VMware Socialcast, that's again a chat tool, chat and collaboration solution which brings the right people discussion in one place. So for that also VMware provide a different product, that's Socialcast. VMware Mirage, that provide desktop image management for physical desktops. VMware View Planner, that provides a consistent methodology that captures the overall scalability of deployment platform, and it also provides the performance of each application operations within a given desktop. VMware Horizon AirWatch. So VMware Horizon AirWatch provides enterprise mobility management platform with identity, productivity and collaboration solutions. VMware App Volumes. So VMware App Volumes, it's kind of product which is being used for application and user management solution for Horizon, Citrix XenApp and Zen desktops. Now VMware User Environment Manager, which offers enterprise grade user management for a personalized and user experience across device and locations. VMware Horizon, again it's to manage and deliver VDI environment, so we can use VMware Horizon to do the desktop virtualization. VMware Horizon Flex, that deliver and manage and secure local Windows virtual desktops on Mac and PCs while ensuring security control and compliance. VMware Workspace ONE, which is being used to simplify and secure enterprise platform which delivers and manage any application on any device by integrating identity, application and enterprise mobility management. That's kind of mobility device or mobility product. Let's move to next set of products, which is a cloud application platform and few other products what we have in VMware. So that VMware vRealize Hyperc, VMware Pulse IoT Center, VMware Skyline. So basically VMware vRealize Hyperc, what we know as it provides performance management with complete constant visibility into applications and infrastructure, and This is a component of vRealize operation, and it which monitors operating system, middleware, and application running on physical, virtual, and cloud environment. And now next, that VMware Pulse IoT Center. So it's kind of IT and operational technology which provides complete control of your IoT infrastructure. That's infrastructure and operation technology. And it manages thousands of hundreds connected devices. It keep the devices and data secure, and it help both IT and operation technology organizations to onboard, manage, and secure their IoT use cases from the edge to the cloud. And the last one, that's VMware Skyline. So VMware Skyline, it provides VMware technical support engineer with extreme visibility into the customer environment, and customer with the active support subscription install the VMware Skyline collectors kind of appliance, which automatically and securely collects products, uses data such as configuration, feature, and performance data. So these are the products which we explain in different category we had. So these are the products provided by VMware to virtualize the environment and different layer. So as you saw that from top of servers, from data centers to end of the users, at each layer VMware provide different products, and there are around 50 products I shown here. So these all products we have in market, and you can use to simplify and managing the virtual environment. And you can definitely, there are apart from that, VMware supports these products. We have VMware has technical supports which provide on solutioning and implementation and post implementation support. So it's very like kind of if you want to go to virtualized environment, definitely there, I don't think that there should be any kind of glitch using products at any level, any layer. If you want to virtualize, definitely all products will be used. So that's all from this topic, and I hope this topic is useful for you. And in case you find anything which I should improve, which I did not explain in a better way, please share your comment in comment box. Definitely I'll come with the answers. Definitely I'll come with a new video to explain that topic. And also, if you think that there is anything, any video regarding virtualization technology which you want me to share, which you want me to produce, definitely share your thoughts in comment box, and I'll prepare a video. I'll come back to you as per your need for technology. If you think that this video is useful for you, I request you to please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel, that VMware Insight. And any suggestions you have, any query you have, please share your thoughts, please share your suggestions in comment box. I'll be most happy to come back to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your patience, and I really appreciate that. I'm very happy that you came to my channel, you watched this video, and please keep watching. Please stay tuned for next video, where we are going to explain more about the practical things. As of now, we started with the virtualization, what is VMware, what is virtualization, but in next videos we are definitely going to cover the practical things, how we deploy virtualization, what is ESXi, what is VMware, what is virtual machines, what is data stores, and the products what we covered in last slide. Definitely I'm going to cover all the things whatever I can do in my lab environment. So I'll definitely try to create videos on that, and I'll come to you in coming days. So thanks again, thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.